Sige, start mo. Yan na, engine start. Warm up mo na muna. Tapos, sige, aircon on. Go. Inoff, naka-off. Wait. Wait lang. Warm up mo ng konti ulit. Para mag-settle yung ano. Sige. On, aircon. Meron pa ulit. Kaya naman ako. Okay na yan. Later naman natin. At least na-record natin yung ano, yung raise nating issue. Pag malamig yung from cold start, yung aircon, yun, may ganong sound. I think compressor, ano yan issue yan Okay.